Hello my fellow Kenyans, habari zenu wa Kenya wenzangu. I hope you are all well na karibuni tena kwa video nyingine ya Vision Total Football Kenya. Wakenya wenzangu, mazungumzo ya leo ninataka tuzungumze kuhusu Vision Total Football Kenya, vile itafika kwa rais wetu mtukufu His Excellency President Uhuru Kenyatta, how we are going to take that vision to our president His Excellency Uhuru Kenyatta. But before we go to that, Wakenya wenzangu, my fellow Kenyans, my brothers and sisters, please remember to subscribe. Before you forget, please subscribe. Your support is so important to me. Yeah, every one of you is a soldier, and every contribution that you make, whether it's subscribing, that is enough to me. Give me any support, whether it's sharing my video, whether it's making any comment, that's good enough for me. Wakenya wenzangu, we are a community. Let us work together to make sure we see through this vision. Now, Wakenya wenzangu, let us kickstart by talking about how we are going to take our vision to the president. This is going to be through our football revolution walk, which we are going to do this year. I said this year is the year where we are going to see everything come true. Yeah, everything that I have been talking about, it's ready, Wakenya wenzangu. Before the end of this year, that vision will land on the table. Yeah, His Excellency President Uhuru Kenyatta will see that vision on the table, Wakenya wenzangu. But now I want to request our president also to include football in the big four, Wakenya wenzangu, because football is going to contribute so much, yeah, into the big four. It is going to create employment. It is going to help our youths get away from alcoholism and drugs. It is going to unite the community. It's going to unite our youths. It is going to help our youths build Nyumba Kumi. So imagine Nyumba Kumi through football, how fantastic that would work. So I want to ask our president to do his best and support Vision Total Football Kenya, and I know he will. Our President Uhuru Kenyatta wishes well, yeah, wish well for our country, wish well for every Kenyan. I know this for sure. So Wakenya wenzangu, support me so we can get this done. And I believe within the next 4 years, once this vision has reached the president, and also we are going to go through the parliament, Wakenya wenzangu, to lobby for change, because we want a total change in our football. All these plans, I'm going to reveal one by one as time go along, Wakenya wenzangu. There is a question I want us to ask ourselves as Kenyans, Wakenya wenzangu, and I want to start by mentioning Kenya Premier League. I want to say this: if only our Kenya Premier League could make or could realize 10% of what English Premier League makes, Wakenya wenzangu, that means our Kenya Premier League per year would make 150 billion Kenya shilling, just 10%. Even if they realize only 5%, yeah, if they could only make per year what English Premier League makes, that would be 5%, would be 75 billion Kenya shilling. Imagine what that would do in Kenyan football if Kenya Premier League could realize only 5% of what English Premier Leagues make. There is no one single reason why Kenya Premier League should not be in a position to realize that 5% per year. Wakenya wenzangu, Football Federation, FKF, if FKF could only realize 5%, yeah, let me start by 10% of what English football makes, yeah, which is 350 billion Kenya shilling. If FKF could only make that 10% of that per year, would be 35 billion Kenya shilling. Imagine, Wakenya wenzangu, what would that do to our Kenyan football? Forget about 10%. If FKF could only make at least 5% of that, that would be 17 billion Kenya shilling, Wakenya wenzangu. Imagine how that would help football in Kenya. Tell me one single reason why FKF cannot make that 5%, yeah, which is 15 billion Kenya shilling. There is no any single reason. It is because it is a failed organization. It is a failed body. Now, Wakenya wenzangu, how are we going to sort this, Wakenya wenzangu? We can only sort it through a football revolution and using Vision Total Football Kenya as the blueprint to usher in a new era for football and to implement a total new type of football that will become self-sufficient, Wakenya wenzangu. This idea where football becomes a burden. Football Federation cannot function without FIFA money, without government money. This type of idea I said before, it does not happen anywhere else in the world. It only happens in Africa, where corruption is rampant and football money is taken by officials, or they don't have ideas to develop their football. Nobody here in England can believe the support FKF gets from FIFA and from the Kenyan government. No one can believe, because it should be the other way around, that FKF should be making billions. Wakenya wenzangu, I've said on this channel again, there's no reason why Safaricom should make more money than FKF, but it's because FKF is a failed organization. Safaricom is a corporate, it is a company that is run properly. This is what I want us to do. I want our football federation run properly, like Safaricom. And that is part of Vision Total Football Kenya, Wakenya wenzangu. So everything that I speak is something I have been working on for the last 7 years. And that's why I'm saying this is the 7th year. This is why I have everything ready, Wakenya wenzangu, including talking to FIFA, writing to FIFA that we are going to do everything in our power to sort our issues of football in Kenya. And the only thing we seek from FIFA is blessing. We don't want FIFA to ban us. That's why I had to write to them, so they understand where we are coming from, and they understand clearly that unless we usher in a new era for football in Kenya, we are in trouble. We have been in trouble, and FIFA has been watching us, our football dying and dying. So that's why it will only take us Kenyans to sort our football issues. Wakenya wenzangu, there is something else I want to reveal to you. 2015, I was in contact with Dr. Hassan Wario when he was the CS for sports. Yeah, I tried to contact him. I updated him with my vision, but get what? This guy was not interested at all in a vision that would save Kenya. Even when he went to watch Hull City playing against Gor Mahia, yeah, in Hull City, and he went there in a mission called football benchmarking. Even then, I was still in contact with Dr. Hassan Wario. But guess what? He was not interested in Vision Total Football Kenya. That's why I'm so determined that Vision Total Football Kenya must reach our president, because Wakenya wenzangu, this is a vision that is going to save Kenya. How a CS in charge of sport, yeah, can get to that level that is not interested in a vision that is going to save football in Kenya, I don't understand. And that's why I believe now our only option is that we must land our vision on the president table, Wakenya wenzangu. And Wakenya wenzangu, there is so much to reveal, yeah. A letter to CAF, yeah. A letter to CAF is on the table. Letter to FIFA is getting finalized. It is going, Wakenya wenzangu, and I will update you. I'll tell you when FIFA reply. I will read this letter in few months time. I'm going to read it to you so that every Kenyan know what is the content of this letter to FIFA, because this is not just a journey for me. This is a journey for me and you, Wakenya wenzangu. I believe as Wakenya, yeah, I want to share information. I want every Kenyan to become a solution to our football, and that's the only way we are going to go forward, Wakenya wenzangu. This is why I'm saying ushering in a new era for football will take me and you, will take the whole country, will take all our leaders, our president, Raila Odinga. Everyone must be involved in this, because football is what is going to sort so many issues in Kenya, Wakenya wenzangu. You just think about what I said, about 5%. Yeah, FKF making 5% of what English Federation makes. That would be 17 billion. FKF are struggling to make 19 million. Wakenya wenzangu, Kenya Premier League, it has been over a year now without a sponsor since Supersport left. No sponsor want to get involved with Kenya Premier League. This is not even a joke, Wakenya wenzangu, that a Premier League can take 1 year without finding a sponsor. And don't forget, FKF has approached over 45 sponsors to see if they can sponsor Harambee Stars, and no one want to get involved. Yeah, Supersport said about government taxing them heavily, but the government reduced that tax. Did they come back? No. That is because they also see no value in our Kenyan football. In fact, I believe they were looking for an exit strategy to leave Kenya. Now we have SportPesa. I know is sponsoring some parts of football in Kenya, but guess what? No one want to take broadcasting sponsorship, yeah, for Kenya Premier League. Why? There is no value in it, Wakenya wenzangu. I've been saying this, but once we sort all the issues, I said even Kenyan TVs will come in to sponsor Kenya Premier League and many other leagues, Wakenya wenzangu. Wakenya wenzangu, I've already have a strategy to create 100 280 football clubs in Kenya, yeah, through this new football system that is going to work in Kenya. So Wakenya wenzangu, there's so many goodies that are in the bag for Kenya. All I seek from you, Wakenya wenzangu, is to support me so we can see our football, yeah, a type of football that we've never seen before, that works from bottom top. Our foundation, the biggest foundation, is going to be at the grassroots, Wakenya wenzangu, at the ward level going up. We want to build a stronger foundation, Wakenya wenzangu, from bottom up. We don't want this idea where we are building up going down. This is what we have in Kenya. That's why things are not working, Wakenya wenzangu. So Wakenya wenzangu, so much I'm going to reveal this year. So many secrets that I have been doing. So many people who have refused to assist Vision Total Football Kenya, who are in that position. Some of them are in various government positions, but I don't really understand what they see as a threat, taking a vision that will save Kenya. Wakenya wenzangu, I can promise you now, what I want is to see a good football system in Kenya put in place, and then I can leave football to run itself. I can promise Nick Mwendo, I can promise anyone, I'm not interested in becoming a FKF chairman at all. All I want is to see a good system implemented in Kenya, a system that will help every single Kenyan who has a dream in football, whether it's a referee, whether it's a coach, whether it's a football player, whether it's a scout. I want to see everyone dream being possible in Kenya, and then I can leave it. Whoever wants to be the chairman can become the chairman through a better system. And that way we are not going to depend on individuals, on chairman when they are elected. These individuals, we want someone to be elected. When they leave the seat, the football will continue as usual. Let us put our hopes on systems, Wakenya wenzangu, instead of individuals. Let us have a system that helps everyone, helps our economy. Wakenya wenzangu, I'll leave you by telling you a very simple secret. Did you know that if we play sports, yeah, our country is going to save 10% of its health budget, Wakenya wenzangu. So just by involving ourselves in sports, by involving Kenyans in sport, our country is going to save 10% of its total budget. If it's 100 billion the government spend on health, we are going to save as a country 10 billion by just getting involved in sport. So Wakenya wenzangu, the advantage that comes through sport is so much, and this is why I want this Vision Total Football Kenya to be implemented properly through the government, and all the necessary bodies can be created from the top to the grassroots, Wakenya wenzangu. Kenya wenzangu, again, don't forget to subscribe, Wakenya wenzangu, yeah, and support me, Wakenya wenzangu. I'll leave you in peace. Until next time, I'm Gakonga, the coach and the pioneer of Vision Total Football Kenya. This is Vision Total Football Kenya Hard Talks. I leave you in peace. I'm gone.